Hey, hey, it's time for art. Put on your
Art is for
berets.
everybody. I believe that's true. Through skits, cartoons, and singing, we'll learn a thing or two about how artists do their thing when they doodle what they do.
Hey, what's in my ice cream?
Calories!
No, shapes. Circle and a triangle. Some shapes are rectangular or like a ball. Some are big, some are small. But it's not only the shape size, its character can energize. Contrast is the king. Hey, I think I'll make up a cartoon face. I love doing that. He looks like a tough cookie. This will be a wanted poster. Wanted. I don't think he's wanted by me. An artist saw a cat, but he didn't see a cat. A circle and an oval's what he saw. Alakazam!
Alakazam!
So, your dog is an artist too?
No, an artist.
Harf! I'm gonna draw this deer skull. Line techniques on one side, and gradated blending on the other. Here comes a car! Hi, Artie!
Hi!
That sure is a cool color car.
And warm color too.
Hey, your wheels are color wheels.
This is a marble sculpture.
Doesn't look like a marble. Art is universal, art is wonderful. With art, life is never dull, art is delightful.